Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to pair Bluetooth headphones with a smart TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So pairing headphones with a smart TV can be done through the TV setting menu or with the help of a transmitter device. So if you are using a transmitter device, then if you have a Bluetooth headphone that has an aux cable, you can simply get it inserted in the optical cable slot. So once you insert the optical cable slot with the cable of your headphone, then you can get output from your headphone. So if you want to connect it with the help of Bluetooth, all you gotta do is simply turn on Bluetooth on your headphones that you're gonna use and turn on the Bluetooth on the transmitter device as well. Once you turn on Bluetooth on both the devices, you will be able to connect your Bluetooth headphone with your smart TV. This is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.